Blood cleat. So much people there on my YouTube. 17 people check-in already. People, so today's topic. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Share the live. What's up? What's up? It's been a long time. I've not come on YouTube. I didn't know that the love is so strong over here. I mean, in 0 seconds, I've gotten so good morning. Huh? Good morning, good morning. I am so overwhelmed. Me never know see some people like me on YouTube. Because you know watch the video them. Me never know see so much love me I get on YouTube. Eh? So me know watch the video them. So people, there I want you to look out. I want you to look out for my new series. 2 cents with pineapple. This is where that I will be just giving my mere opinion on certain topics. So, and any topic that you guys want me to cover, you will just tell me. Prentice to me the charger that game.
Yeah, I spent it.
Eh? You always love me. See it there. But nothing there, Sophie. I can't plug it here, so. Yeah, you always love me. So, guys, all right, for instance, I will let you guys in on this now. What is the topic that you want me to talk about most? 2 cents with pineapple. Because me have to come, I don't know, we are still stuck at 5,000 subscribers. And that cannot be. With all of this energy and everything, Jamaican Pineapple TV. Hello, dancehall vibes. Dancehall vibes. Big up on the damn self. I am in truth. So what is the what would be a very good topic for us to attack? What would be a good topic for us to attack? You reached 13K? Wow, congratulations. Congratulations. You reached VybzKartel overall sales. Kartel album. Dancehall Vibes are, oh, you reach 13,000. Oh, that, oh, you make that happen. So you want me, that, but 2 cents with pineapple, that would fall under 2 cents. Yeah. I think I've covered that already. Okay, on and off relationship. Okay, what is your take on and off relationship? My take on and off relationship is that it should be an off then. You understand? I would more go to the side of off, because if it's an on and off relationship, that means something is toxic about that relationship. So what is the sense of wasting my time? On and off relationship where it's toxic can't work. It cannot work, because it's going to always be on and off, and you're going to always put in too much energy for something that is not going to bear any fruit. You understand? It's like you water a tree when now go bear no fruit. And I think in 2020, I've realized that life is very short. I've always known that life is very short. But 2020 show me that life really too short for waste your time with fuck up people. You understand? How to become the next dancehall king? I wouldn't know how to. You have to be a VybzKartel. You would have to be a VybzKartel to become the next dancehall king. I don't know how to become a next dancehall king. I wouldn't know, baby love. I wouldn't know that. Them love mix up. I would like you to tell me how to reach 15,000 subscribers. Get me to 15,000 subscribers. You understand? Because I think Life is too short. So if you're in an on and off relationship, no, let's be serious, guys. If you're in a relation, people love drama, pineapple, and the quickest way for you to get subscriber these days is to this cartel and the Gaza. That will never happen. But I know that you will never sell out the Gaza for views like some bloggers. Never, DJ Bullet. That's the reason why. But to the way Gaza is a big something, Gaza worldwide, I do think that we have some hypocrite people where I say Gaza because as a die-hearted Gazian, because I am a Gazian, my subscriber supposed to reach more than 10,000 since last year till now. Jamaican Pineapple TV is still at 5,700. I mean, that is ridiculous. As big as VybzKartel is and big as Gaza Nation is. Gaza Nation, oh, a die-hearted fan like me, supporter like me, AC like me, they are 5'7". I don't know if it's because Gaza have more female supporter or me don't know what the cause is, but for some reason, there's some dislike. For real, me should have be at 20K already. No joke. Me should have be at 20K already. No joke. But guess what? I know my time yet. So guess what? I just saw life. Look here. Situation is just like how it is. Me not sell out. Me not change up nothing. To get no views. Or you not see me. Let me tell you something. Me now go start to review no other. Them want me to review other people and me can't do that. My energy not there so. My energy not there so. You understand? Dancehall vibes. What did you do to get? So how much do you reach now? Yeah, them say Gaza, but them not support. Sometimes I think Gaza people are some fuckery supporters. They like you, but they won't support you. They really truth. Bullet, you're talking everything truth. Me aim after 10 by posting every day. Wow, but don't forget that like we have a everyday, like me, I have a normal life, people. Me can never post every day. You understand? And at the moment, if people know me, the background I'm not gonna get for the video them because I've done the reaction to the album. So the video are gonna be different because due to a job that because of what happened, because of the pandemic, I wasn't having any job. So me get to a new job and I have to move. I have to move from Berlin, so me get one little rent, one little house over here, so when me there. So my background, I know the white TV, I want little TV because people have to eat and my kids have to eat. And my father Jamaica have to eat. So you find out that the background different and I couldn't do no video because the internet never did that work. So me could never post every day because out of YouTube, I have a normal life. Some people not have on YouTube, them do, but I have a normal life and I have kids as well, people. You know me all man. And I don't know. So when me come like my phone not charge, Eh? You're currently at 12. Wow. I am very proud of you, Dancehall Vibes. I think it's because you post every day. I think because the fact that you post every day, you're gonna get them. Look like we have cellulites. Yeah, the fact that you post every day, I think you're going to get those type of subs. But regardless, yeah, if you push it, man. When you reach your milestone, you can't count down. You can't slow down. True. That's a good tactic. That's a good tactic. Like you post every day to reach that amount, and then you slow down. Okay, that's a good one. But let me tell you something. Put on usually the channels who have a lot, like 100K, are the channels who post every day on YouTube. I not see comment them. Usually the channels that post every day on YouTube is their only source of income. Yeah, Bullet, it looks so. Drop a like, one bath. All of them attack. Them no bother. Call them than the girl where me touch say. What? All of them are mama man. World boss send me them with the bomb, clap it out in a them head, kill everybody, man. Look here, no make them vlog me. No make them vlog me. for read. Me sound like a real bat. People, me just read a while ago. Me sound like a real bat. I read the past why booping at them forehead. Booping at them foreheads. I think maybe I'm supposed to come. You know what I'm going to cut out? I definitely know what I'm going to cut out. I am going to cut out Duane and Kimo. Big up yourself. Capel Dennis, big up yourself. Duane, my brother, big up yourself. What I'm going to do, I'm going to come regular. I'm going to come regular on YouTube Live than going on Instagram. However, people, if you're not following me on Instagram, go and follow me on Instagram and help me to reach 10 subs there. Starry, we have just finished mixing and mastering Starry music, because people, you know that I do the Young Artist Challenge thing, and I have a star artist, which you people should go and check out if you like me and support Jamaican Pineapple TV. Just go and follow Starry Music on YouTube. Just please do it for the love of me. You understand? And look out for the video for Starry. Oh, dankeschön. And I really feel ugly today, no? Somebody just tell me Sam is a very beautiful woman. Do both. What do you mean? I can go on Instagram and go on YouTube. Yeah, video got drop as well. Definitely. Definitely. Let me tell you something. Jamaican Pineapple TV, I have a record labels now. My record labels is Jamaican Pineapple Records. You see, Pineapple Records or Jamaican Pineapple TV is one entity, is a one person. It's I'm the face. But to tell you the truth, the reason what gave me the drive to say I'm going to do a record label is because I see a lot of talent in our little small island, Jamaica. And I noticed that people in the industry that are established are not helping the upcoming artists. You understand? And since I think that I have a platform, it's only the best way as a Ghanaian to help a next person, you know? Because this is, to be a Gaza is not just to say free VybzKartel, you know? It's more than just to say free VybzKartel. But free VybzKartel is on the top list. But we have to help each one grow. We have to be supportive and loyal to each one. And what I understand is that we only jump with people that are established. What about the young artists? Yes, if you go look for Jada, what about the young artists that are talented, that has no help? Only Uncle Kartel, look at the album. Look at the album Dance of Divas. Look at the album. What she say? What she say? What she say about helping young artists? What did she say? I haven't seen that. What did she say? People, what she say about helping young artists? Can I never see that, you know? What she say about that? Bulita, what she say? Somebody tell me. You have one boss VK. Yeah, Bullet was saying in the comment section I chat about Jada. Jada don't establish. I think Jada now fought pan Bullet. Bullet, let me take on Bullet. Bullet, you have never reposted one of Jamaican Pineapple TV video. DJ Bullet, me interact with you, me your talk. But Jada Kingdom, you repost every day. You never repost on my video them and say, people go and support Jamaican Pineapple TV. You never do that. But me your talk. Me your friend. Me your friend on the internet. You never do that. A big batty Jada Kingdom, me see your repost. So let us talk about we are not supporters. Bullet, start with your own self. Bullet, start with your own self. Bullet never repost me yet, people. Never. You understand? And I'm a die-hearted Gaza. Just like myself. I never see the Bullet, never repost it. Don't forgive me. Say that she's not going to help any young. What she said, she's not going to help any young artist that is not on her level. That is, look here, everybody's entitled. Gaza Angel, big up yourself. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. If that is what she says, yeah, okay, I respect her opinion, but me not accept that. Me can't leave it like there. You understand? I find that is very self-centered and egocentric of that. When she named Leah, she said that she's not going to help any other artist that is not on her level. Look here, nobody become a diamond, never become a diamond if you never take out the diamond and clean up the diamond and polish it off. You understand? So sometimes you have some artists, they just need mentoring. If you mentor the artist, them, they will become a diamond. That is wrong of her to say that she will not help any other person that is not on her level. That is wrong. My opinion. 2 cents with pineapple. If she says so, that's a fuckery. Straight fuckery that. That is not correct. You understand? In times like these, the young artists need people that is going to help them push them career. What does she mean on her level? Is she on a VybzKartel level? Is she on a Cardi B level? She would have never bust. If Protégé did things about her, she would have never bust. Should have never bust. Should have never bust. Big up yourself, Gaza Angel. Should have never bust. You understand? Because she have to understand, say, somebody put her which part she did there. Somebody that was more established than her gave her the chance to be where she is. So it's only the right thing for she help her next person. Me soon come. It's only the right thing for her to help her next young artist. Each one teach one. You understand? That is wrong. Me can't support that. And you see all them people there, you know what is the, you know what me hate about Jamaica is so hypocritical. You see all of them Protégé people there, all of them Rasta light-skinned people who look like them calm and collective. Them are one of the biggest hypocrites. This Leah person, she look like she's such a conscious person, but her speech was not conscious. Her speech is really rugged. Mitchie Boo, thanks for the donation, people. Mitchie Boo, thank you so much for the $2. Yeah? Yeah? That speech of what this Leah woman said, she looked like she's so conscious. She looked like she's so down to earth. But she is not down to earth. Because if you're going to be selfish like that, when a somebody put you on the spotlight and you know what help our next artist, you're not gonna, she should have do that. She should have just shut up her friggin' mouth and don't say nothing like that. She shouldn't have said that. The contest and that's Austro. This man that's not English. She could have expressed herself differently. She not look negative. Them a use them ear, them natural ear, and them blood clot skin color, and them go on like say them a rasta to come fool people. We gonna suck them. Yo, me no want talk, you know, me no want go on bad pandis, you know. Them a use them natural movement, and I go on like say them is for the people, them is not for the blood clot people. The whole of them are hypocrite. I use black people. All of them half mix up dirty stinking people. They way. Me hate that. Me hate that. Me hate that. Oh, she fi say that. Oh, she fi say that. She fi humble her blood clot self. I use blood clot movement like them as Smady. There is nobody. There is nobody. Because if you are in the industry and don't want to help our next brother rise, you are against the liberty of black man. You are against us because reggae music is our life. And if our next ghetto youth a struggle, and you know why I help him because you don't feel like in there you stand in your, which level you're there on, by the way? Which level you're there on? I want to know which level she there on. Eh? And somebody help she. help she. No, Smady, Mitchie, thank you for the €3.50. Thank you. It's so worse. Is this? Eh? It's on? It sound worse? This Leah girl, whatever her name is, it sound worse? Talk like them real and them fake like Chinese brand. She's totally, they act as if they are so real. They act as if they are so for the people. They are so for the movement. And they are not for the movement. Because, yo, Vybz Link Ellis, thanks for the 5. Blessings. Thanks for the £5. Thanks for the £5. Thank you so much. Son Couture, you start prayer from she has ties up with coffee and a complain. Make she move. Make she move. Make them move. Make them move. Keep looking at True Ace Music. It's a TVJ interview. Big up on yourself over Instagram. They want to come on me YouTube. We are having a solid conversation over YouTube, you know. A solid conversation. Jamaican Pineapple TV on YouTube. That Leah girl or whatever she want name. I use her little voice. Me say, no. You see, people like me, no. You see, people like me, people that want to be judgmental towards me. And I say, me this and me that. And rate it. But you see, people like me are the real people we. You see them girl there, we go on like them too nice. And go on like say them is with earth. And them connect to earth. And them don't eat meat. And them drink pure vegetable. And this and that. Them are the biggest hypocrites. Dancehall vibes. You said talk about the Leah girl again. My screen record now, a foxy attack. As much as me can't repeat what I say again because that it gone already. If it come back, I'm not an actor. Me can't just me can't record. You can't if you never screen record when me there say it when me in the energy, you're not gonna get that. That me can't fake things, dog. And that me a real smart, me can't fake things. Me can't come now and start talk when me talk 10 minutes ago. Because me done talk that already. So if you never get that, you're not going to get it again, dog. You see it? The energy there, you should have recorded it before. You understand? So if me save the live, you can get it. But me can't fake things. You understand? You want the footage? Oh, when the live I go save, you can get the live. When you save, you can screen record that. But me can't come over back and do it over back because you don't know no acting things and my real feelings me I talk about. Yes, when it comes down to building the youths, because it takes a community, people have to understand this. It takes a community to grow up a child. In the music industry, you have too much talented artists for Leah Compound, public TV. I come talk about she not help no artist when they on her level. Which level she on? Which level she on? Which level she on if you don't want help out her next man or her next woman? And then they go talk about fighting a dance hall. I know Simon says dance hall vibes. Lloyd, big up on yourself. You get me? It is only right when you have a platform. Look here. Me I try build my YouTube channel, but yet still me say, okay, some people gravitate to me. Why don't do a Jamaican Pineapple TV challenge? When I think me I do the challenge because me see talent out there. Some people, you know how much it means to star or for anybody. I have gotten DMs. Me get message. Say people I say, oh, Jamaican Pineapple. You know some no win the contest. But thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. People start follow me. People start do this. People start do that because me come for your channel. And that the people them, and that make me feel good. Maybe me can't give them the money, but you see true, me have a platform and other people see them through my platform. Yeah? People see them through my platform. That is also this is also building. You get me? That is also building. And just some artists out there, let me tell you what beat them bad. Them not have the right person to mix and master them song. That have beat them bad. You understand? Me they ain't no Juvie. They don't have which part to go record them song. So if we can't support with our young artists, we are trying because we can't take telling because we can't deal with no artists with young. We now go take talk. You have to go take talk. If me suggest something, you have to go act accordingly. If me say do this, you have to go do this. So if me have any artists around me now, and me say me want to look certain type of way. Yeah. How much it mean to me first challenge me ever enter. You see it? Let me tell you this. Mitchie B, book up yourself. Mitchie Boo and Vybz, thank you for donating. And people who don't want to donate something to me. Me I look at strength for one of my brothers song them. One Juvie, one thing is looking at strength. What people don't understand, one hand can't clap. You understand? Me give out enough to give back to me as well. In some way. Because sometimes people just want to drain you. But if you don't drain me, oh, me go give you back something. Up level one boss. If you don't drain me out, oh, me go give you back something. You can't drain out something. You can't want done me and expect me to give you back strength. That cannot work. That cannot work. You understand? One hand can't clap. Me always I say one hand can't clap and nobody know what understand what me I say no. Blessings, my brother. Nobody don't understand me I say. But let me tell you something. You see, if VybzKartel did have that mindset, you see, if VybzKartel did have that mindset as Leah, whatever she want to name, where she want to face, because they act like them as some type of people, you would have no good, you would have a popcorn today. Yeah? You would have a Sean Storm. Yeah? You would have a Lisa Hype. Yeah? You would even have a Black Rhino. You would have a friggin' the fat youth name. Me forget him name. A fat youth name with the big belly. Me forget them name. Cause when them them and switch, me not remember their name, you know. But there would be a lot of artists we don't know about. If VybzKartel did have the mindset of certain artists in the industry, me I tell you, but she Javinci. You would have a Javinci. You understand? You would have a Tamil Sparta. You understand? You would have all of this. If VybzKartel had that mindset like this girl, we would have so much great artists. You understand? We would have so much great artists. So it's only good for you to help the next generation come. You would have got a sicker rhymes. Enough more out there. You understand? You would have all of them people here. A Javinci me talk about. Me I say if Kartel did have the whole of them, remember say if Kartel did have the mindset of Leah, she said that she's not going to help no artist when they're on her level. So me question you now, what is your level? If it wasn't for VybzKartel, you wouldn't have a Not Nice. And Not Nice is not even an artist as a producer, beat maker. But the other rich one, the rich kid we're gone, the brown one. Where brown one name? Where brown one name, people? You have a next brown youth. A VybzKartel, I mean Russian. If I never for VybzKartel, I wouldn't know Russian. I wouldn't know who is Russian. If I never for VybzKartel, I don't know who name Navigator and T100. Let me tell you that. You understand? So you have to understand, so each one teach one and you have to help people, help. You have to help our next brother come up, our next sister come up. You alone want if you want yam food. Because everybody else have picnic to where to feed. You have to help the next generation for real dog. Shots. This thing is dropping. I just fixed it. You can give me something to drink, please? Thanks. Curly Head Keisha. Yeah, people. People when I say Shabdan. What heap of them? So suppose VybzKartel did have this mindset like them people and want to eat alone. That's why I did office Gaza. When you think I did office Gaza. If me like it or not, I did office Gaza. I did office Gaza. Because you have to help each other out. You can't want everything for your own. What make we so greedy? Too greedy, man. Too greedy. So you know, say it's only right for pineapple to drink pineapple. It's only right for me to drink pineapple juice. Because me is a pineapple. You see it. Wow. Oh. Wow. No, sir. I saw this nice. Wow. A VybzKartel make sense of our name. Said we. Enough people now admit it. If it wasn't for Ludi, there's no Shensea. Make me tell you that. It tingle my body. Me say, so Leah, or whatever you name, so I speak up yourself. Leah, or whatever your name, go and reconstruct your sentence and come back. One international artist dance and divas. One international artist. And the next thing again, me I tell you the truth. Look here, VybzKartel could have go hard upon it, but yes, Curly Head Keisha. Musa Job. No, look here. We have to give people enough rope to end themselves. Even if she don't make the talk already. She have to go back and reconstruct our sentence. Digital, pick up yourself. She has to go back and reconstruct her sentence and explain to us what she mean by she's not helping no other artist that is not on her level. Maybe we are misunderstanding what the woman has said. Maybe we are misunderstanding what the woman has said. Bad foul. VybzKartel world, big up yourself. Maybe we are misunderstanding what she has said. Look at the 18 tracks on the on Dance of Divas, yeah? I think 9 of them are for the girl them. Yeah? Then you have some Batman vloggers now. Did you say more some credit? JPS, whoa! Look here, JPS and Digital is on my live. Jamaica Pussy World Service is on the line. God. Ross, she might answer and it worse cause appear, she just appear. Me see it, me see it, me call it. Me say what do you my life? Jesus Christ Company Live, JPS and Judas the dip on my life for Instagram. Yo, my Instagram I go on with beer things. Yes, I real JPS, you know. I real JPS, I'm a dog. I like JPS because JPS never cut off my light yet. I like JPS. But back to the conversation, people. Back to the conversation about this Leah girl. Look at the Grammy album, Dance of Divas. Me hear some vloggers have talk about, oh, the album not bad. The album not this and the album not that. What they mean by that? Ready blood? CVM news there? No, so how many pages are going so bad? CVM over here. CVM over here. Jamaican Pussycat sitting there over here. Jesus, Judas, Jesus. Watch the news. Check my profile. CVM, you can promote Soy's album and promote me. CVM. CVM. Elvis, CVM, there for my life. Jamaica biggest TV is sitting there for my life. And reggae run things there for you too. And JPS there for you too. And DGCL. And Uncle Judas and Jesus left, you know. And Satan, all know me not see Satan come. Satan, our Satan, they were Lucifer there. Our Lucifer there. She too enough. Yeah, back to the vlogger them. People, you have some vlogger. I don't know if you call VybzKartel them in negative. It's like if you call if you call VybzKartel them in negative or just to get views. I think deeply this clip is copied. Copy the clip. Just to get views. They maybe love VybzKartel, but them sell them soul. Them talk fuckery about VybzKartel and the album. What the sense we talk fuck about the album? What the sense? People wanna go up on the live and donate some money, make the money reach to $10. I'm going $9 me have over YouTube, you know. Big up Michibu at all times and Vybz Link for always support me. One boss Vicky, you reach over Instagram quickly. Big up the people that we are support Jamaican Pineapple TV people. Them use VybzKartel name to get a hype. Them use VybzKartel name to get a hype. Talking about how the album is rubbish and JA Radio hype up the album. It's the right thing for JA Radio hype up the album because the album is a Grammy album and the album a bad album. So it's the right thing for them hype up the album. Yeah? Them hype it up. If them not hype it up, we're gonna hype it up. If we not hype up the album as real die-hard Gazians, Gaza supporters, who are gonna hype up the album? How if you hype it up? Who vex? Who vex? Who vex? Who blood clot vex? Go suck themselves. Michibo gone. Yo, the one of them man at the panel live. I'm going Michibu at work. See Michibu, people around go follow Michibu. Our daughter make some brilliant bracelets with name on it. And Michibu soon start the YouTube. And Michibu just just donate $13 to Jamaican Pineapple TV. Thank you so much. After we have to hype up the friggin' something. Me not even talk about, you see, all him now, you see, all Foota hype. Me not care if VybzKartel want report Foota. Me don't like Foota. Foota a hypocrite to Gaza nation. Foota vex because lava I get all of the boss them. You understand? When him see, me tell her say, Foota catch diarrhea every time you see Lava get post. Foota catch diarrhea when him see Lava go on live and Lava have 2,000 and 3,000 and 4,000 and 5,000 people and watch him. Foota catch diarrhea because Shorty go on pam Lava live. Big up Lava sound. Foota get diarrhea. You know them there, them out, and them don't want nobody to strive, but them alone want for the inner the talking. Foota hype want for inner the talking. Foota they never put you under house arrest, just so you know. Them put you under house arrest for a fucking reason, man. Them put you. Me not keep me VybzKartel repost him. Bullet. Thanks for the €2 bullet. The $2. Bullet, thanks for the $2. I'm glad. If Foota is worse than a bitch. Desi. To Bomboclat. Foota is vexed because him see Lava are going with things about him are viral. Nothing is viral about you, Foota, more than the blood clot house arrest so them put you under. You have to talk to Lava if you play your school them, you tune them. Size. You have to talk to Lava. You send him your song them. You interact with him. You can't just go and say, Lava play me song and your song go get played. Foota is bad mind. You understand? Foota is bad mind. Him no wants to nobody else strive. But viral, nothing's viral about you. And I hate a man that tries to tear down a next female. I hate a man that tries to tear down female. Because every time Foota hype name get called, his name get called on tearing down females. Him not viral about nothing else. Foota hype not viral about nothing else. The only thing Foota hype viral about are when him tear down people or when him talk about Aishana. Until today, Foota hype is not a topic. He still has to call his baby mother name. Foota hype still have to talk about Aishana. To the way him life boring. Mind you not, so Foota hype get one next pitney, you know. Foota hype have one next pitney, you know. Me I go post spice today. VybzKartel, what you mean by that? Post what you want post now? Exactly. Foota hype's name alone define him. Hype and waste. Hype and waste. You understand? He is a hypocrite. And everybody VybzKartel post me is a fan of. Exactly. True. You're so right. DJ 40 Black Eagle. Hey, Pineapple. Remember the same album where them say now go reach now we see there? A world boss success that. Yo, people. I just wanted to bless up YouTube. It's like the man Mad Kartel could have called a pum meeting. Yeah, because that's the only thing that he was talking about the whole time. I wish Obia Allen something there. I wish Obia Kartel I use because film Obia man now work. Then big man talk like that. Big man talk like that. J Epic Design. Big man talk like that. Big man talk like that. No, sir. I joke thing that. And then the whole of them, just because them want to lick something, the whole of them are run come to about Gaza. Waste man that. He's a girl. Foota hype is a girl. I don't care. There is one thing. Him talk about the ancestors them. When him talk about the ancestors, them, I'm alright with that. I'm not telling no lie. I'm alright with when Foota I talk about the ancestors, them. You understand? But you see, when him start to bring down woman, and then, okay, guys, this is what puzzled me the most. This is what puzzled me the most. Foota I now say, him and Jodi Couture are friends. With friends like these, who need enemy? With friends like these, who need enemies? Oh, me and you to be friend, and you see me a fuck up, for instance. You say me a fuck up, and you go come on social media, come tell me, say me a yammed, and me a the words, and me a this and that, and Kartel work up here for me and him something there. Me no want no friend like Foota hype. No friend like Foota hype. Eh? No friend. Me know you know them. Me say DJ Eagle, this mix up, this is what is trending. These things are trending, and these people want to go viral. So every day you go hear them in a mix up, them want to go viral. It look like him ex mad him. It look like him ex mad him. Then him go really come on like I say, me and Jodi Couture are friend. Riri, Titi. Then him go say to Lisa Mercedez, I never knew you like those type of person. Go back to your baby father. Do this, do that. Batty boy, how we actually, maybe the baby father was abusive. Maybe the baby father did not do something to her where nobody don't see. So don't tell the woman to go back to no baby father. But she did have this and she did have that. Maybe he never did support her career the way she did want it to be supported. There's a lot to it. We don't know about it if you leave alone. But yeah, don't make the hype get to you because, and then the worst thing what the dog can say now. The worst thing what Foota hype say, make me not like him at all. Foota hype now come and end the story with now to say VybzKartel no loyal to nobody. Foota hype now come to say VybzKartel no loyal to nobody. VybzKartel no loyal to nobody, and he might give people the impression like him and VybzKartel attack at night time and he know have people business. Oh, if he said that VybzKartel no loyal to nobody for too long. What do you mean by that? What is Bigfoot? Blood clot peanut head big lip stinking looking boy I talk about because Foota hype always look stink. And when Foota just beard him look stink. His mouth just big. Me just can't imagine the lele mouth water drain down yesterday morning time when he woke up a blood clot mouth and the whole lele mouth water there so and cake up on him blood clot mouth side. And when him take off him sneakers them, him put cheesy. Sorry people. That part they upset me when him say me confused sometimes with them people. I mean, I wonder if them do it for get viral. Why you sell your soul to get viral, stinking foot? Why you sell your soul to get viral? Vex. Them people they don't want to see nobody strive. They don't want to see nobody strive. J Epic's design. Look here. You make a sense in Ocean. Ocean. Hello, suspense. Let me tell you something. People are going to talk about you, but why can't you attach some positive things to VybzKartel name as well? Why every time we read about VybzKartel, the media is always the framing is character? Why diminishing his character? Why sometimes you people cannot attach something positive? Talk about his legacy. Talk about his kids going on his life. Talk about that. Talk about things that he has set back. Talk about the house that they have. Talk about things that they are doing. Talk about the family series that is coming up. Talk about something positive. Talk about the stars that he has given to us. Talk about that the man is behind bars and is still pushing out good music and still pushing other artists. Oi. Me not look here. It's true. It's true. Garage. Me there you talking truth, you know. You remember my name though. No powerful and talented persons never get crowned king. Gaza Nation. Talk about something positive. We don't always have to attach bare bad mind people they want to put. Yeah. Me say if no matter which song Kartel put out, you really have some vloggers out there, no matter which when you song bad enough. When the song bad can't go no more, you can't deny it until they'll say, no, that song they not go on with nothing. Them people they know me not follow them up. Me not rate them the people there. Long time in bad mind, that's why the woman have to run away from him. Long time in bad mind, and not just now. That's why the woman have to run away from him. Yes, independent when the big seed it starts. VybzKartel movements donate food and everything to the community. Me not hear nobody talk about that. Me not hear nobody talk about that. Jamaica's biggest downfall is bad mind. Hey, pineapple, them remember say Kartel save dance fall when hip hop did I go take it over. And see them say, look here, not remember say Afrobeat I go take over no, you know. Although I believe that nothing can take over dancehall music. There is no Afrobeat, no nothing can take over. But when it come like say dancehall I go style, a Kartel bring it up back. A Kartel bring it up back. Remember me telling you that. I which part my cup there? Yeah. When it look like dancehall I go style a Kartel. Afrobeat Germany. Big up yourself, Afrobeat Germany. What you say? Them all a bad mind, Jamaica, Spider-Man. You know so VybzKartel world boss, you know see a joke you make? When Kartel put out a bad song, the easiest way to tell is a bad song. What you said, bullet. People are on YouTube as well, you know. If you have not subscribed to Jamaican Pineapple TV on YouTube, don't forget right now, come off, log off of the Instagram, and please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me grow because as me say, one hand can't clap. JPS Jamaica, have you subscribed to my to Jamaican Pineapple TV? Jesus, have you subscribed? One only shy original, big up yourself. Have you subscribed to my Pineapple TV on YouTube? Just as my Instagram name. People help with push and make go out the man. Digicel, do that. When Kartel put out a bad song, the easiest way to tell is how bad the song is. The vendetta channels go quick, quiet. They ignore the song because they don't want to help it to even get bigger. But Bullet. I go talk to DJ Bullet now. Oh, only shy only shy original. Thank you. Me have to say something to Bullet. Yeah? Because me a real girl. Bullet. Subscribe to Jamaican Pineapple TV. Big up Curly Egg, Keisha. Bullet. As a die-hearted Gaza supporter, Bullet. You talk too much about vendetta, dog. My office, me no want to hear about them. You talk too much about vendetta, them man. Are you make me know say a vendetta them name? Me never know say them a vendetta, dog. You have to stop give them. Me don't review not no vendetta. So it's alright for them no review nothing about VybzKartel. That's normal. That normal bullet. But bullet, you have to give them too much strength, dog. You post cartel video them like how you post alkaline, would happy after that. Me fully Gaza, me no support them star. Yeah. Desi, thank you for the $2 Canadian. Bullet is not available at the moment. It's all about VybzKartel on my channel. I don't want to hear bullet like that, but it look like say me I wonder if him is a under yo. No, I have to beat them every day. But beat them for what? Beat them for what? What you beat them for? Them are got them dead anyways. Remember say every time you try to beat them, you beat them to life, you know. Every time you beat them, you beat them to life, bullet. Sometimes give them a rest, give them a 1 week rest, man. Don't talk about them, don't make them feel important. You give them too much credit, dog. Me no see vendetta boss nobody, so I don't know why bullet give them so much strength. Every day bullet depend on them case. Every blood clot day bullet depend on them case. Every day. Me say bullet. Every day. Post blood clot VybzKartel the way you post vendetta to them a batty man. Me don't care about them. Put them on timeout, dog. Me can't hesitate. If you talk about them are gonna get fame. Exactly. Minute you ever hear me talk about them, me not talk about them. Ah, Desi, thank you. Desi, my brother just sent me 10 Canadian dollars. Say me I pay you for your next bottle of wine. Enjoy your weekend, me G. Bless up, my brother. You're my real brother, I know. Not because I $10. You see it. Me not laugh with your bullet. A real talk bullet. If nobody never tell you as me and your sister, cause let me tell you something. You see DJ Bullet people? DJ Bullet was one of my first subscribers on YouTube when Kartel repost me. Yeah? So me have to respect Bullet. Bullet always donate me the $1 them and them something there. You understand? So me rate Bullet. And when me see Bullet, Bullet can't make me and Bullet not have no WhatsApp number. Bullet post give vendetta them a timeout now, dog. Post about Tanisha album or the Dance of Divas album. Post about Kartel more. No, me and Bullet a chat and reason and laugh. Me want Bullet for no say. Me and him know in a nothing. Oh, thank you. Bullet a good youth, man. Bullet a good youth. But me have to tell Bullet to put them on time out. Gaza channel is for Gaza people. Don't mention them for your month. You think Bullet are gonna do that? Bullet can't do that. Me say Bullet like beat them bad enough. Where I say somebody said the boy rush and sell me out for Rummy Entertainment. Oh, rush and sell you out. Janelle to be their best. You know, someone want to find out who is Garage. Big up Portman people. Poor Bullet. I want go on pan. I want go on. Yo, me like how me can. The greatest thing is this, people. Me I say this, the greatest thing is this, what I love about my supporters, poor bullets, the greatest thing that I love is that me and uno have one band. Like, uno know when me and, me and uno just have, look here, JPS, I don't know if it's a fake page when know me already, but JPS just come and we just accept him as a family. Cause the energy just stick to him, even though it's a fake page. Me like the fake page them, me like JPS. Then you have one other one when name Judas. Me like Judas too. Then you have a next page when name I Am Jesus, them company pages. Me like them because them give me one good energy. Even though it's a fake page, it's a fake page, but a real somebody they behind it. One somebody they behind it. You understand? Me say we have to beat bullet if him try keep them relevant. Yeah, me only can joke and laugh, and there's nothing to it. I plan it. Me said, yo, me don't know if I plan them plan, you know, because me don't understand how God angel, one angel upon the life, God's an angel upon the life, then Jesus Christ, then Judas. Me say, then JPS come, then what? Bank of America will come and want give me loan, you know. See, Digicel just come here, and Digicel has said me bring Uncle Love and positivity. Yeah, because that's my energy. That's my energy, Digicel. And me not know the people them. Wait there. So bullet block you over JA radio. Bullet. We know see our administrator over JA radio. What you block my friend for? I'll CVM reach. People when run go for my Jamaican Pineapple TV on YouTube. So I 1 hour more that you know. The 1 hour and 2 minutes now, people over YouTube. People British Airways there? British Airways, we need a flight to Jamaica. A liar tell. British Airways not reach yet. A liar tell. Flow not there. TBO up. Bullet, did you block Desip to Bomboclad from the channel? One hour more. And at what time now? I can't go no 1 more hour more. I can't go no. May I drink a next cup of pineapple? Flow slow, it not reach until it done. What you mean? The song done, you know, at the video shoot we are going to start out, and then we drop his song. At the video shoot we are going to start out. British Airways there for true. One more cleat. British Airways they want to pay. Yo, British Airways going to subside. Yeah, yo, people not gonna go rub follow TBO up and running. Is a next Jamaica living in Europe YouTuber. British Airways. Mitchie don't done the little dividend to the man again, you know. Joke me a bit, baby. Big up Mitchie Boo. Everybody run go follow Mitchie Boo. Mitchie Boo just donated $20. Eh? What's a dance? I want the computer, let me go play Couture that she want here. Mitchie Boo, why you do it? Thank you so much, baby. Thank you, Mitchie Boo. Make we see some love in the comment section for Mitchie for donating $35 to Jamaican Pineapple TV. Okay? Her IG name is just as her name. A cute rider she want here. But the problem is me can't play it from the YouTube. Me want wait feel like, oh, we will out Dance and Divas. Dwayne Webster. Oh, Mitchie Boo. See them have your peer love over peer love you getting now. A pure love you get, you know. Pure love you get over IG. See them, even British Airways, see them give you one free ticket. Them give you one free ticket. Over YouTube, over Instagram. Michi, a pure love JPS, so them not go cut off your light. People, all right, guess what now? Tomorrow Sunday, let me go log into live on the computer. Free currency I get. Me go log into live on the computer so the whole of we can talk and have a conversation. All right? Me there, Shana or Shanta. I'm going to log on to the computer then all we can interact and you can call in on the live stream and something. And I am going to really be doing mostly. I'm really going to be doing NCB Jamaica. No, people, you know say no, them are freak with me meds now. Digital NCB Jamaica reach over here. Me want my money because me did there England and me save some money at England and all know me can't get my money from them. I know me can't get my money from Uno. Digital, are you go make the fake page there now? NCB Jamaica. I put here with NCB Jamaica so because they want to give me some money. That's clot. NCB Jamaica. No. See, NCB Jamaica, people make me show on the pan. NCB Jamaica. May I wait for NCB Jamaica? May I wait for them? See them there? NCB Jamaica. NCB Jamaica. No man, this serious. No sir, this serious.
Good morning, mom.
What's the matter? NCB Jamaica, where's the credit, my credit?
Hello?
Hello? I swear to God, you know say NCB Jamaica sound like Jesus. You sound like Jesus.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning. What make you sound like Jesus?
No. I don't know. Who's Jesus? I'm hearing about this Jesus from the other day.
Because Jesus came on my life.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and the only live in history Jesus I've ever visited. It was Jamaican Pineapple TV.
Jamaica, but this is the branch in Cape.
Why the NCB there in branch?
You know, I'm sorry because we need some pride. Because Scotiabank is taking away our customer.
Scotiabank are taking on the customer?
Really? I saw your link and see if that's the reason why I come over here.
You saw my link on CVM TV? No, I flew in my use. I flew in my use. Where am I say? JPS. Yo, bought them a branch in Jamaica. In a Kingston branch. Yo, I love them page. Them fake page, they give me a buzz. They don't give me a buzz. Ooh, my, me can't bother. JPS. Bullet. Me say the uncle. Me say people who know want JPS and this is cut in. NCB Jamaica, you use floor, but no, you use floor, dog. You use floor. A floor you use Digicel. Let me ask, Digicel. Digicel, I need a loan. Digicel say them on the job. What you mean by trick me? Who me a trick? Wait, next time know your parishes before trying to trick pineapple. It's raining in Cayman Islands. You see, you know, look here, go about your business. But it's raining. NCB, Jamaica. So what you do at Cayman Islands? No, the man same name NCB Jamaica, and I tell me say it's raining. What kind of look here? What kind of scammer you will be now? That's the manager there near me. Did you say you can't come on the phone because the manager there? Look here, people. You know what? Thank you so much. This was a great. No! Whew. Jesus official page just reached over here. No? Bumbo clot! Jesus! I want to talk to Jesus. Jesus! When am I going to lock up Foota hype? Jesus! Jesus, when am I go? No, me have to add Jesus. I want to know when am I go free VybzKartel? Come. Jesus! Jesus, pray for the girl them with the stinking pum pum. Jesus! Why the people them? Jesus!
Hello.
Jesus! I love you, Jesus!
I love all of you, Mom.
Jesus!
I made all of you. Yes, Mom.
Why is it that racism cannot be ended? Why is it that racism is so dominant in our society still? Why some girls still pussy still stink? Portia Simpson there, Jesus!
Well, Mom.
This kettle girl Portia reach.
Racism is going on long before me and you, Mom. They even crucified me, Mom.
So when the boy Judas there, you did forgive him?
I don't forgive him. I heard that he's on his way coming.
Judas a come.
Yes.
See Portia Simpson Miller reach over Jamaican Pineapple TV now. So people over YouTube, over Instagram too festive. Me can't bother. So Jesus.
Yes, can I have a word of prayer for VybzKartel?
If you ever say nothing, women don't want to hear Jesus.
No, I just want to have a word of prayer.
All right.
All of you guys.
Yeah. We are listening.
I am the Father. I create you all. Racism need to stop. Stop all this racism. I am going to bless VybzKartel. He will come out next week.
Next week?
Shorty will stop giving bun with alkaline. Love you all.
Jesus, you're batty man. Jesus, you're batty man, you know. Jesus.
Yeah.
Why? Why? No, Jamaica Spider-Man reach over there. Rather than our no makes dog. Nah, laugh for the video. Nah, laugh. You come on for life. Hey. Portia Simpson, what you think about Andrew Holiness? Tell him don't keep the laugh there, no dog. Jamaica Spider-Man. Clad Spider-Man, the whole of them over here. Yo, bad people, move. Yo, camera. Muta Baruka reach up on my life to pussy clad. I can't manage you guys. You guys are Muta, Spider-Man. Yo, Michi. Yo, Desi. Muta join the live. I want to know why Muta are wear peer. Yo, no, me no frost. I have a fever, so my eyes them. Me no frost, man. I'm good. I have a fever, so my eyes them. Yeah, Jamaica Spider-Man.
You know?
Jamaica Spider-Man.
I mean, yeah, Jamaica Spider-Man.
Yeah, so what is your talent? How comes what make how you what you do? You crawl?
You can't swing from Watch to Kingston.
You can't swing from Watch to Kingston.
Yeah.
Spider-Man, what else you can do? You can sing?
We can see the only a problem.
You can't save with another problem. Alright, me have a problem.
What your problem?
The stinking pussy girl them.
I forgot to Jesus with that one day. I save people. I rescue people. But then I get see me face, but me sing off a real hotel and my phone camera broke. So when they can't go see me face. But if nobody in a problem, then just contact me.
Yo, so want to the other people there, your team. Want to your team, want to sit there, Iron Man and them band there. Or them there. Want to Superman.
Spider-Man work by himself. Spider-Man now work with company.
You know work with
Jamaica Spider-Man.
And Muta Baruka say him stay today what you true?
Yesterday. And not today, yesterday.
Yesterday, yes, Muta. How Muta did that do?
When me jump off and watch Rio.
So what make you jump off? Me not think I swing a swing.
Me have a jump for swing, you know? Me have a jump for swing.
So what, a spider bite you or you just turn Spider-Man so?
You know, say one day me this. You know, say one day me this wake up and I find myself a fling web. I guess it's a gift from God.
It's a gift from God. You wake up.
Protect you all.
So wait there, so you can't go web up the wall and sell them which part sitting there. Where we boss there and broke out everything and web up the wall of the garden them there and take out VybzKartel out there.
If me go this free VybzKartel.
Yeah, when you go do that. In house full of cobweb. When you go do that? Spider-Man now work alone. Bullet, me hear one next man. Look here, me hear one man in the background of Spider-Man house. One man, Spider-Man look like a Batman in us. Me hear one, yo, you see NCB? You see NCB? And blood clot Spider-Man? Them together. The background are the same background. I'm going to move in the blood clot. Muta Baruka, the life I go end people. Muta. The one of them. Muta company live, 21 seconds remaining. And then I go come off alive. Diddy Flex official. Muta Baruka. How was the trip in Ghana? Hmm? How was the trip in Ghana? Muta. Yes, people. So, guys, you know, I'm spend 1 hour, 1.5 hour, we don't know now. Till you have NCB and all the people are company live. Over my live. I'm not telling a lie. The live didn't have a buzz. I'm want to big up everybody on Jamaican Pineapple TV. You understand? Me want to big up everybody on Jamaican Pineapple TV that has tuned in. People, little more. We see us later. Tomorrow, I plan for company live. Check your DM. I sent you the video of Leah. All right, Michi don't want me to go. I have to stay. Michi sponsor the live today, no. Michi sponsor the live today, people. I get $42. Bisuda?
Ich bin da because I needed. Where do you always keep?
Hey, ich bin noch am live.
Your charger. Where do you keep your charger? I need
What?
off-flat cable.
See my charger there.
Where is it?
See there.
That's mine, serious.
And on my one. Your one here upstairs. Remember, say you tell me to bring the charger for you last night.
All right.
We bring it. Here, I'm sitting there. People, we know there we really hard, you know. We know there we really hard. We are not at our really hard coming to instead because I want work me that to move come somewhere. So don't watch the pattern. It's something in the background, people. We know there we really hard. Yeah. Yeah, bullet me I go watch it, you know. Michi, how me I go add up on the live, Michi? To tell you the truth, how me I go add up on the live? Me not fight you. Who will fight you from morning? I will fight you from morning, Michi. Nobody not fight you. Nobody can fight you. JPTV, when can we expect one of the passionate reactions to one of Kartel's new songs? Okay. Also, what would I win that, baby? The reaction edit. The reaction edit. Elvis, Michi Boo say you're fighting her. Because every minute you're telling me to come off the live.
No, I never did.
He said never did.
I never did.
He said he never did.
Do your stuff, you have your fun, you leave me alone. I don't trouble you. Michi Boo, pick up yourself.
So people are come over here. Jojo says to come. I should restart the live. Jojo, if you want me to restart the live, make the money up there so get €50.
Michi Boo and Daisy, so I'm support you also.
Yo, Daisy and Michi Boo always support me. Not telling a lie. Daisy to Bomboclat. People don't run go follow Daisy to Bomboclat.
Michi Boo, I'm shy. I can't come to you.
He's camera shy.
I'm very, very shy.
He's very, very shy. Him say NCB take your money. NCB take your money. NCB take your money. For what? Or let me take your money. No, me not restart the live. I wonder what make it them what Instagram already, you know. I like how the guys say Jamaican Pineapple TV, JPTV, but my name so similar to Jamaican YouTube TV when them write it like that because his name is JYPTV. People go and follow Jamaican YouTube TV. Stay with me. Stay with me. I never Elvis in a studio talk it through. Them say you're not shy because you're in a studio but come on. Come on, come on. See me in the studio? Come on, come on. Yeah. Then he goes up. See me? I saw him going in the studio, you know, Mitchie. He said, bam. Every time he said, bam, Elvis goes up. Yeah. Every time the number one supporter, I know.
No, the vibes was right.
The vibes was right?
It was nice.
Oh, give me a phone, Elvis. I will play this song for the people on YouTube.
Just give me a second.
Yeah, people on YouTube, me I want if you not hear the new Jamaican Pineapple TV song. Me have one song. If you not follow me on Instagram, I show them pay this right here, so your fans only. Yo! Nah, lie, you know. Did I tell a lie? A true man, yes, sir. Over years, so me I come more from YouTube. YouTube is more profitable. You understand? YouTube is more profitable. We need topics. We need some topics. People are sending the topics them. Me could come and interact with each other. You understand? So if me play one song on YouTube, then can't block me.
No, this is your song.
And my song, don't.
It's a copyright. Nobody can.
What you mean by me can't make private page on JY? Me not understand that. What you mean, Michi? Can't play. Michi, we are going to play the one song. We are play the one song and then we have to cut. Send. Eh?
Your first track, you want to play that one as well?
No, which one? No, good girl or bad. I'm a one.
Alright, just hold on.
I'm a one, the one, the loaded. Oh, yes, I can make private page on YouTube. I never know that. What do you mean by private page? So I could play a loaded. And big up Desi and big up Mitchie Boo too. Stay with me. Don't go away. Let me have to go wash. Ooh, you know, no below class parade. Give me where make me take true. Class feet from Foota never correct move. And when you see the double time, you know the double full, so they be my get full. What's next? One press that they be my kick off. And you me give the pussy them sitting fit talk. You never see me was to with the pussy me got. The boy them vex got link with the car, right? My friend them loaded. I'm just some loaded. Close the COVID. And me kick some clock them loaded. Hear me, Jodi. More money. I know I ain't putting nothing dark, sure money. So me wash the money down, that's a pure money. Them fuck to when me have that need more money. Yeah, they be my price, tell them they be my purse. Money in a pocket when you see they be my left dark. They be my hug, tell them they be my hug. Girl, she a eye down, we don't give a fuck. Boom, my friend them loaded. Loaded. COVID. I owe that. Loaded. Whip for the customer rolling, loaded. me take through. Black people put a never correct move. When you see them never time, you know they don't for full, so they be my get pull. What's next? One press and they be my kick off. And you me get the pussy them sitting for talk. You never see me go to with the pussy me car. The boy them vex come link with the car rhyme. My friend them loaded. I'm struck some bang loaded. Pussy COVID. And the kicks on the clocks them loaded. Loaded. And the whip for the customer loaded. I ain't a pay no joking. Can't stop me growing in a road. More money, pound more money. I no talk with no dark show money. So me wash the money down, that's a pure money. Them fuck when me pull up. Yeah, they be my press, tell them they be my press. Money in a pocket when you see they be my left. Nah, they be my record. And I don't want them feel like they can't put in my chip below. Me not take chat friend no boy and that girl. Give me way, make me take through. Black people put on them a correct move. When you see them up and you know they duck for full, so they be my get pull. What's next? One press and they be my kick off. And you me get the pussy them sitting fit. You never see me go to the pussy cat. You go and them next family to the car. My friend them loaded. Some of them loaded. Pussy COVID. And the kicks on the clocks them loaded. And the whip for the customer loaded. I ain't a play no broken. Can't stop me here and now. More money. I'm not hype with nothing dark sure money. So me wash the money down, that's a pure money. Them fuck when me have that need more money. Yeah, they be my friends, tell them they be my friends. Money in a pocket when you see my friend them loaded. And straps on my bang loaded. Pussy COVID. And the kicks on the clocks them loaded. Body loaded. And the whip for the customer loaded. I ain't a be no joke with. Make me take through. Black people put a never correct move. When you see them about time, you know they duck for full, so they be my get full. What's next? One press and they be nasty now. And you me get the pussy them sitting fitter. You never see me go to with the pussy maker. The boy them vex family with sick right. The friend them loaded. And straps on the bang loaded. Pussy COVID. And the kicks on the clocks them loaded. And the whip for the customer loaded. I ain't a pay no drawing. Can't stop me growing in a road. More money. I'm not hype with nothing dark sure money. So me wash the money down, that's a pure money. Them when me have that need more money. Yeah, they be my friends, tell them they be my friends. Money in a pocket, they don't see they be my left. They be my up, tell them they be my up. Yeah, she a wife, we don't give a fuck. Make me freeze up. Tell that girl we no street up. Hey, we are the baddest thing, Jamaica. We are the baddest thing. Hey, mad move. Me quick give them piece of story. Me give you a piece of story. My artist. I want to hear my artist or my chop. I want a piece of story music. Okay? Make sure all this song I go bullet. All this song I go on. All this song I go on. Mitchie. She a tell me I know she want party, pineapple tea. Clean from my head to my feet, professional with it. So we do it big, so it's like pineapple production. When I look for it, now let it car when I pull up in the street. With a couple fresh car, we a button break start, girl, pop the front seat. Them a couple next fast. Money in my pocket, I must have Benjamin Franklin, bus bro, and a fucking gun. Everything I'm on now, you ready to spend hard. I'm a thing, fucking a movie, welcome. Eyes for me clear, eyes for my pen, and I'm a hardcore. You know what, say you're double cool. You me brother them, up for sure. Couple of you run the same for couple more. Anyway, you wake up on the street, you know what's the real. If them ever this split it, me brings it all like dirty clothes. But them up your thing of water, come out of Angelos. The money touch the alarm, so we know what's up, boy. Yo, what buzz?
Yeah, man, I'm rolling. Look how my eyes to think, yeah, let's come fresh out with spring. Mommy and my brother must be nice, we have some life to live. Remember the rough days, that time for rise, my king. And no feels that you can see the link and style the thing. But we fly like the car on the line kid. We never had, we never know what life will bring. Who did that come and now make it look all rising quick.
Oh, my fresh cars in the fucking test start.
From the front seat to your legs start. One in my pocket dog like a Benz.
I'm a fresh like, hey.
Ready to spend that. Have a thing talking the movie as welcome. Eyes from the key and eyes from a pen.
Come and cook you like England. Here flow, here top. Pressure me come to pressure them. Pressure me come for pressure. How dare you say that you will not help an artist? People, I'm proud of my artist. I'm proud of myself. And me produce that. Me produce that. Round of a blood clot. Yo, Elvis, we do this now? Bumbo clot. Me can't believe this a blood clot. And you have some people in the industry that want to help our next little youth. And me produce that. Pineapple Records produce that. Look out for the next challenge them. Yo, Starry Official Music. Look out for the video. And me produce that Michi Boo. I want to follow my artist. That one you get delete. Listen to that one ya. Don't keep the laughing. From the hear the voice, you know. And you see the face. You don't know to go on everywhere, anywhere you go. Yeah, 20 minutes. Oh, here goes. Which one you rather? Good girl or rather? Good girl. Pineapple ladder. Are we here on the border? Bad girl. Everything get murder. If me not say them word, good girl. Which one you rather? Good girl or rather? Hey, doing war like money. My great nanny. Independent one. Strong like Sammy. You Monday say me have the sexiest body. Sweet like honey. Act like honey. Beauty of a goddess. You find it? Find it. Monday see me and I jump like pony. Don't have the money. Big up Kartel. Addy and the daddy. No, you like it. No sex to see that positive. No. Why come through so specific? No. No, you can't keep. Why make it thick? No. Change it here. Stick shift. Which one you rather? Good girl or rather? Good girl. Pineapple ladder. Are we here on the border? Bad girl. Everything get murder. If me not say the word, good girl. Which one you rather? Good girl or rather? Yeah. People. People, I am so fucking thrilled. I am so amazed what good, what you call it, influence can do to you. You understand? You need people around you in your life will influence you, will motivate you to do better. People like me produce that starry music, you know. I'm going to music, you know. Yeah, I never know say to an artist now. Yeah, man. Me not tell a lie. Michi. You see the last song when you hear that delete, that now going up on the records. But the first one and the starry song, and them two songs that we are run with. And I want every vloggers out there, if you just remember say, Pineapple Records I deal with a whole heap of bag or something. And we are going to do our next Young Artist Challenge. This time we not sign nobody, we just have to voice them. We voice the artist, send the artist go to studio and them something there. Because it takes a lot to sign an artist, you know. So we are running with Starry, and we want to run with Starry too, because a bad artist. You understand? Starry a bad artist. I want to know. I will get you strength on your song when it drop. I will give you strength. I better say I give you one say. So Michi, me give you 1 hour and 41 minutes now out of my day. 1 hour and 41 minutes out of my day. What time now? 7 o'clock. So me have to go out the road before 8 o'clock because me have to go buy something. Yeah? So I want to know, keep sharing my live. Keep sharing my YouTube channel. Make we reach 10,000 subscribers before the month done. I want to say before the year done. It's supposed to be easy for me, innit? You understand? Mitch, you don't know, it says always love, and thank you so much. I'm going to save the live. So anybody want to watch the live later? No, sir. Give Elvis cute ride. I want devil ride. Me I go give him.
Pineapple ride.
It's a pineapple ride. We are go get. You want a pineapple ride? You hear about pineapple ride? No, you say you're shy. You remember the kind of pineapple ride. Pineapple ride. What is a pineapple ride, Elvis? Tell me what is a pineapple ride.
We can discuss that tomorrow in the live.
20,000 before the year finish, guys. Before, when we come off a live, you want to discuss that?
I mean, tomorrow, if you're on live, you call me in, then we talk about that.
Tomorrow. You said tomorrow. The dog said tomorrow. The dog no in a no fucking mood right now. The dog don't want to see no pineapple. Edit the man want edit. He want to come out of the kitchen and give me space. Elvis don't want me stay around him. Yo, Michi, you think Elvis easy? Elvis, don't look here. Elvis don't want me in a space. Elvis, I want different type of species, you know. Elvis don't like sex. Me know what exactly is what is a pineapple ride. I'll move. Michi, don't make that roughness here. Me can't even take cocky in my bumbo. Don't make that, me can't take, Tika, me can't take it, no. Don't make that roughness here. Don't make that roughness here. Everybody think me is one piece of Hulk. No, dog. Me is not a Hulk, Michi. What's up, No, TV or up around me not telling a lie. Me no know. Me not telling a lie. Me not rough. Me rough. Me is a soft girl. Me is a soft girl. Me not rough none at all. Stay with me. Don't go away. Stay with me. Me hear that, me know. The overnight pumps. What them know about the overnight pumps? What them know about the overnight pumps? The overnight pum pum. The best pum pum. The overnight something. The overnight something. Yeah. So guys, look out for 2 Cents with Pineapple. Look out for Starry Music, Starry Official Music, Starry Music on Instagram. No, Starry Music on YouTube. Go and subscribe to his channel. And make sure you tell all our friends from Instagram to come subscribe to me. Yes, Mama and Grandpa, this one for ackling, come ackle up my body. I don't like it. This one for ackling, this movements. Can't bother. But lie down, come back and spread out my legs them and have easy access. This one for not even know if you do cute riding. I don't know if you ride nothing. My knee them start hurt me. TV or up and running TV. My knee them start hurt me. My foot, I don't know, my leg them start go shaky. My knee them start hurt me. And what if I something? No, I need come like me need magnesium or calcium or them something I need that in my system. God no. God no, seriously. I need something I need them start hurt me, dog. A beers me a shake, yeah. Beers me need them start hurt me. Can't bother with them one for acklings there. Come act up my good body. If I gym me a go, it's alright. But if you want to gym me a go, I can't bother. Can't bother. Yeah, this one no sir. This one I can't manage that. Can't manage that. Can't manage that. So guys, we talk later. Big up on yourself. We talk later. Michibu, Desi, Dola, thanks for Vybz Link. And all I know where donate, all I know that take part in Jamaican Pineapple TV. Thank you for being on the live and thank you for making it so festive. You understand? And an uncle love. All right? Big up on yourself. I'm out.